Well, today is, let's see, the 19th of May. It's about two and almost half of a month that my trusty technician, Chad Bohr, who is a staff sergeant originally from Security Forces, he was sent here and, not sent, he was hired here at the Spark Cell to come in and work and do a specific project for Security Forces. So stay tuned for that project. But on the flip side, he has been diligently working on any and everything that has been coming through the Spark Cell. So I have to say he's my my go-to, my guru. But look at this cool thing he made. Chad, tell me about this.
So we've ran into the issue where the fan blades we have for the Raise 3Ds was breaking. And complete replacement is the housing plus the fan blade, and you're looking at $20. This was about $1.29 worth of material that was used to create this. The file was created in Fusion 360. This was my third iteration of this. The first two I did not add a stem to. I thought I could glue it down. Found out that magnetic balancing was not happening. So when I added this shaft and borrowed the washer and lock washer and plugged it in, fully works. Got a cool color out of it, and we can now replace these at our own leisure.
So what material is this made out of, Chad?
So this is the tough resin. Don't really know the chemical composite of it, but as it hardened, we put through the wash and I got it cured through the dryer. This has really good rigidity to it. It actually is, I think, operating just as good as their fan blades, and I think will stand the test of time. So took the magnet and the washers out of this, placed it onto mine, and we have a fully functional replacement fan.
So stay tuned. This was printed on Formlabs, the resin printer. Thank you.
You're welcome.